Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by getting connection and permissions ready. Connect both devices to the same Wi-Fi network or plug the iPhone into the laptop via USB for more stable video. Open the laptop app that accepts AirPlay or a mirroring service and confirm it's discoverable. On your iPhone, swipe to Control Center and tap Screen Mirroring, then select the laptop name. Make sure to accept any trust prompts and enable microphone or screen recording if the app asks. Once the connection appears, fine-tune the stream so it's smooth and clear. In the mirroring app, set resolution and scaling to match your laptop display. Choose landscape or portrait orientation as needed. Route audio from the iPhone through the laptop if you need sound, and pick the proper output device. If frame rate is choppy, reduce resolution or close background apps to free CPU and RAM. Make sure battery saver is off on both devices, as it can throttle performance. To finish, manually stop mirroring from the iPhone Control Center or quit the mirroring app on your laptop, then safely disconnect USB if used. If things go wrong, reboot both devices and reconnect to the same Wi-Fi or switch to USB to bypass network issues. Also inspect firewall settings and app permissions on the laptop. Allow incoming connections for the mirroring app. If latency or black screen remains, lower streaming resolution. Update both OS versions and retry. This usually resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.